Welcome to the module How to add a new product on amazon.in. Amazon allows you to add a new product in your inventory if it does not exist on amazon.in. Log into Seller Central, go to the Inventory tab and click on Add a Product. If you are trying to add the product for the first time, our self-help guide will help you with the step-by-step instructions. Start by searching with the product's name or the barcode. If you have the barcode number available with you, you can search with that too. The barcode number would be mentioned right below the barcode of the product. This is also known as the ISBN, UPC, or EAN number and consists of 10, 12, or 13 digits respectively. Enter the product name in the search bar and click on the search button. In case your product does not have a barcode, you can still proceed with Amazon Brand Registry or GTIN exemption to add your products. Watch our videos on Amazon Brand Registry and GTIN exemption process to know more. If you do not see the product of your choice come up in the search result, it means that the product does not exist on amazon.in. And you can click on Create a New Product Listing to add a new product. Before you begin to add a new product on amazon.in, keep the following information handy: product title, product description, product images, barcode, price, quantity. Browse for the category in which you want to add your products and click on Select. If you are not able to find your category in the list, it means that the category is gated and requires an approval from Amazon to proceed. You can click on Learn More to know about the ungating process. You can start filling the basic product details or enable Advanced View option to provide more product details. Details in the Advanced View will help you to enhance the listing. All mandatory information required is marked by a red star. In case you want to learn more about what each field is, then you can just click on the icon beside the field title to see its description. Enter the product details in the Vital Info tab, product variations, if any, in the Variation tab, offer details in the Offer tab, upload product images in the Images tab. Refer to the image style guideline before uploading the images. Enter the product description in the Description tab. Enter the relevant product search terms in the Keywords tab. Enter more details in the More Details tab. Congratulations! Your product has been successfully listed on amazon.in and a confirmation message gets displayed on the screen. It will take about 15 minutes for customers to be able to view the product if your account is already launched. Thank you and happy selling with amazon.in.